It was a typical Monday morning, or so I thought. The city was bustling with life, cars honking, people rushing to their destinations. I was just another face in the crowd, trying to navigate through the chaos. I was rushing to work, my mind racing with to-do lists. The stress of the day was already weighing on me, and it wasn't even 9 a.m. yet. As I glanced at the clock on my dashboard, the numbers stopped me in my tracks. 11:11. It was as if time itself had paused for a moment. A surge of energy shot through me. It was an inexplicable feeling, almost like a jolt of electricity. I had seen this number sequence repeatedly over the past few weeks. It was everywhere I looked. It appeared everywhere, on receipts, license plates, even in my dreams. It was as if the universe was trying to get my attention. Little did I know that this was my introduction to the magic of angel numbers. These numbers were more than just a coincidence. At first, I dismissed it as mere coincidence. I thought it was just my mind playing tricks on me. But the persistent appearance of 1111 sparked a curiosity within me. What did it mean? I started to research and delve deeper into the world of numerology. Was the universe trying to tell me something? Was there a hidden message behind these numbers? My intuition whispered that this was no ordinary number. It felt like a nudge from the universe, urging me to pay attention. It was a sign, a divine message, urging me to pay attention. The more I learned, the more I realized that 1111 was a powerful symbol of alignment and awakening. Angel numbers are sequences of numbers that carry vibrational meanings and spiritual significance. These numbers often appear in our daily lives, seemingly by coincidence, but they are far from random. They can show up on clocks, license plates, receipts, or even in dreams, catching our attention in the most unexpected ways. They are believed to be messages from the angelic realm, guiding and supporting us on our life's journey. These divine signals are thought to be a form of communication from our guardian angels or spiritual guides, offering us insight and wisdom. Each number holds a unique vibration and symbolism, and when combined, they create a powerful message tailored to our individual circumstances. For instance, the number 111 might signify new beginnings, while 444 could be a sign of protection and encouragement from the universe. These gentle nudges from the universe often appear during times of transformation, decision-making, or when we need a little reassurance. They serve as reminders that we are on the right path, or they may prompt us to make necessary changes in our lives. Whether you believe in angels, spirit guides, or simply a higher power, angel numbers offer a comforting reminder that we are not alone. They provide a sense of connection to something greater than ourselves, a gentle whisper from the universe that we are loved, supported, and guided every step of the way. The law of attraction, a powerful universal principle, states that like attracts like. This means that our thoughts, beliefs, and energy vibrate at a certain frequency, attracting experiences that match that frequency. In essence, we are like magnets drawing in experiences that align with our dominant thoughts and feelings. Understanding the law of attraction empowers us to become conscious creators of our reality. By focusing on positive thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, we can manifest our desires and live a life filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. The number 1111 is a powerful symbol of new beginnings, spiritual awakening, and the manifestation of our thoughts into reality. The number 1 itself represents individuality, leadership, and new beginnings. It is the spark of creation, the first step towards manifesting our desires. When the number 1 is repeated 4 times, its energy is amplified, creating a powerful gateway to manifestation. It is a reminder that our thoughts are incredibly powerful, and that we have the ability to create our reality with every thought we think. The power within. You are the creator. Seeing 1111 is a reminder that you are a powerful creator. You are not just a passive observer in your life, but an active participant shaping your reality with every thought, belief, and action. Embrace this power and use it to create a life you love. The universe is constantly conspiring to support you in manifesting your desires. Trust in the process, believe in your worthiness, and watch as your dreams unfold before your eyes. Awakening to 1111, a universal wake-up call. When 1111 appears in your life, it's a sign that the universe is trying to communicate with you. This number sequence is often seen as a powerful message, urging you to pay attention to the deeper aspects of your existence. It's not just a coincidence, it's a cosmic nudge. It's a wake-up call to become more aware of your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. Reflect on what you are focusing on and how it aligns with your true self. This is a moment to pause and consider the path you are on. The universe is nudging you to align your thoughts with your desires and to step into your full potential. Embrace this opportunity to set clear intentions and visualize the life you want to create. Pay attention to your intuition and the synchronicities that occur around you. These signs are guiding you towards your highest good. Trust the process and remain open to the messages you receive. The universe is always speaking to us, but often we are too busy or distracted to notice. Take time to quiet your mind and listen. The answers you seek are already within you, waiting to be discovered. 1111 and the law of attraction. A divine partnership. 1111 and the law of attraction work hand in hand. When you see 1111, it's a reminder to focus on your thoughts and to ensure they are aligned with your desires. The universe is supporting you in manifesting your dreams, but it's up to you to maintain a positive vibration and to believe in the possibilities. Remember, you are a powerful creator, and the universe is your co-creator. Together, you can manifest your greatest desires. Aligning your thoughts, the bridge to manifestation. The key to manifesting your desires is to align your thoughts and beliefs with what you want to experience. When your thoughts are aligned with your desires, you create a powerful magnetic force that attracts your dreams into reality. Start by identifying any limiting beliefs or negative thought patterns that may be holding you back. Replace these negative thoughts with positive affirmations and beliefs that support your desired outcome. Manifesting with 1111, turning dreams into reality. Let's say you've been dreaming of a fulfilling career change. When you see 1111, take it as a sign to take action towards your goal. Update your resume, network with people in your desired field, or enroll in a course to enhance your skills. Remember, the universe responds to action. By taking inspired action towards your goals, you demonstrate your commitment to manifesting your desires. Techniques for 1111. Manifestation, amplifying your power. There are countless techniques you can use to amplify your manifestation power when you see 1111. Affirmations are a powerful tool to reprogram your subconscious mind with positive beliefs. Visualize yourself already living your dream life, engaging all your senses to make it feel real. Practicing gratitude for your current blessings shifts your energy to a higher vibration, attracting more abundance into your life. Your personal 1111 ritual, a sacred space for creation. Create a personal ritual that you perform every time you see 1111. This could be as simple as taking a few deep breaths, setting an intention, or writing down your desires in a journal. The key is to create a sacred space where you can connect with your higher self and the universe. Make this ritual your own and infuse it with meaning. It will become a powerful reminder of your dreams and your ability to manifest them. Affirmations and visualizations, fueling your desires. Here are some affirmations you can use when you see 1111. I am a powerful creator. I am manifesting my dreams with ease and grace. The universe is supporting me in every way. Visualize yourself achieving your goals, feeling the joy and satisfaction of their manifestation. The more detail you can add to your visualizations, the more real they will become to your subconscious mind. Open your heart to the magic. Embracing the journey. The journey of manifestation is not always linear. There may be challenges and setbacks along the way. But remember, every experience is an opportunity for growth and learning. Embrace the unknown with an open heart and trust that the universe is guiding you toward your highest good. Mindfulness, the key to intentional living. Cultivating mindfulness is essential for manifestation. By being present in the now, you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings, allowing you to make conscious choices that align with your desires. Engage in practices like meditation, journaling, or spending time in nature to connect with your inner self and cultivate a sense of peace. Join the 1111 movement. Share your story. Have you experienced the magic of 1111 in your life? Share your story and inspire others to embrace the power of manifestation. Together we can create a ripple effect of positivity and abundance in the world. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. We are all connected, and by supporting each other, we can manifest our dreams and create a brighter future for all.